Hey y'all, so this bow is just going to be made with one ribbon, and we're not going to need a bow maker for this. This is actually a bow that's really easy to do by hand. All right, so let's zoom down and let's get started. Okay. So what I like about this bow is that you can easily do this even if you don't have a bow maker. So what I do is I measure out 12 inches, okay, and that's going to make a 6-inch loop bow. All right. Now I'm going to go around, so you have to remember each one of these is going to make 2 loops. So this here is basically 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, let's do 8. All right, so we have gone around 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, you can see that. I'm just going to trim it off. Now what I'm going to do is fold it in half. Okay. And where that crease is, I'm going to cut it on both sides. You want to leave some in the middle. It's important that you have some left because that's where we're going to put. Now you can do wire, you can do zip tie, you can do whatever you want here. I just like to do zip tie because I'm comfortable with it. Well, let's just leave that in for right now. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to pull, this is your first tail, so I just pull it out and twist it. Let's see, where is our other tail? Right here. Pull it out, twist that. I'm just going to kind of put those on the bottom. Now I'm going to pull and pull there. Pull, pull, and pull. Now you can kind of hold it at the bottom and go ahead and start fluffing it out. What's great about this is you can make this bow as large or as small as you want. Okay, and then once you have the bow where you want it, you just add tails on to the bottom. See that? See how easy that is? All right, now let's do one that's much larger. Okay, so 12 inches. Okay, we're going to go around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to go around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So one more. 10. So 10 pieces in total. All right. Fold it over. Pinch it in the middle. Then make your cut. Okay, and then I'm going to take and cut an 18-inch tail. Okay, now go ahead and dovetail it. Pinch that in the middle. That's going to go on the bottom. And now I'm going to take and put my zip tie in. Oops, not that. That's our little piece. You could also use wire. Okay, there we go. All right, so this one now has its tails on it. Remember, just kind of pull the tails out, and all you're going to do is stick your hand inside and pull out this other tail. Okay, and then you're gonna pull, I like to pull one to the front, one to the back. One to the front, one to the back. Just like that. Okay. Okay. One front, one back. One front, one back. And one back. There we go. Now all you have to do is fluff it out. This is a super, super easy bow to make. The biggest thing with this bow is just fluffing it. There we go. Just want to make sure you have distinct layers here, and that's what helps fluff it. There we go. So we have 4 on the top, and we have 5 on the bottom. And there we go. See how cute that is? You could also take the other one and put right on top. And then you'll have an extra large bow, but these are really fun to make. And what I like about cutting is if I have a pattern, it's easy for me to flip it around either way. Okay, I'll go ahead and dovetail these little pieces. And I could put them as part of the bow. Okay. All right. You have a question? And there it is. See how cute that is? Look at that. Oh, that's so cute. And so easy. There's our tails at the bottom. And there it is.